In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Google Slides URL to make a copy, switch to present mode, create a PDF, or simply preview your slides. So whether you're sharing your presentation with colleagues, friends, or just looking for a more convenient way to present your ideas, transforming your Google Slides URL can be incredibly helpful and easy to do. First, head over to Google Slides by entering the URL into your browser's search bar. Once you're there, you'll need to sign into your Google account if you haven't already. This will take you to the Google Slides homepage, where you'll see options to either create a blank presentation or select from a variety of templates. Either choice will work, so feel free to choose whatever suits your need today. After selecting or creating your presentation, navigate to the address bar of your browser where the URL of your Google Slides presentation is displayed. This is a crucial step because from this URL, you'll be able to perform different functions such as making a copy, entering present mode, creating a PDF, or generating a preview. Now, let's talk about modifying this URL to serve different purposes. If you want someone to make a copy of your presentation, all you need to do is replace everything in the URL after the word edit with copy. This creates a special link that prompts anyone who clicks it to immediately make a personal copy of the presentation on their own Google Slides account. In the same vein, if you prefer to share your presentation in present mode, you'll need to replace the word edit in the URL with present. This modification makes the slides display without the extra menu bars and links, offering a cleaner and more professional look for presentations, especially during meetings or public speaking engagements. Alternatively, if you want to create a PDF of your Google Slides, you can achieve this by replacing edit in the URL with export PDF. Clicking this link will automatically download a PDF version of your presentation, which can be easily shared or printed for offline use. Lastly, if you're in need of a simple preview without the ability to edit or present, use the word preview in place of edit. This allows people to view the slides as they are without any ability to make changes directly in Google Slides. Incorporating these easy URL changes can significantly enhance how you share and present information using Google Slides. By mastering these simple techniques, you'll not only save time but also ensure that your presentations are more accessible and flexible to meet a variety of needs. Keep practicing these steps, and soon enough, modifying a Google Slides URL will become second nature to you. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.